Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase in this new AI tools breaking news video. It will be mostly focused on GPT-4o because this is the new AI model from OpenAI. But I will talk about some of the most famous tools I usually talk about on this channel and even a couple of SEO news. So stay with me until the end, and in the meantime, if you like this kind of content, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, first, ChatGPT. This is the free version of ChatGPT, not the plus one, and the new GPT-4o is rolling out everywhere in this free version, obviously with limited features, but today I logged in my account and I found the chance to use GPT-4o. I pretty like the new ChatGPT interface. You have a slightly different UI, you can get rid of this column and you can choose your different models here, and as you can see, I'm using the basic ChatGPT option with the chance to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. And now, even with this free version, you can upload files and interact with the files because you can use the new Omni model. Just a quick prompt to show you how this new UI works. This was my prompt, tell me about new OpenAI developments. Now it's using ChatGPT-4o, and as you can see I have some text, it's talking about GPT-4o, and I also have some sources here, so it's using the web, it's searching in the web with the free version of ChatGPT. This is a big improvement. Here is where you can change the model when you use the free version. By clicking here, you have GPT-4o and GPT-3.5, but in this case, it's saying that GPT-3.5 doesn't support instruments, so with GPT-3.5 you can't use files and you can't use web browsing, if I'm not wrong. So I pretty like this new improved UI for the free ChatGPT, and now you have more option. Obviously, remember GPT-4o is limited in this free version. But if you want to test more AI models and not only GPT-4o, well, you can choose u.com. I made a video about u.com. If you want, you can test it for free for 1 month in the Pro version. Obviously, you just need to click on the link you find in the description, and here is where you can test many AI models. So for example, even here there is a slightly changed menu. You have this column with the chats, you can get rid of it even here, so you have a cleaner interface, and here you can choose different AI models. This is the default one with u.com. You have GPT-4, you have the research AI model where you can search on the web and research for something specific. You have Genius model where you can generate and edit code, and even here now you have GPT-4o if you want, but with the more button, now you can choose between these different models, GPT-4o, GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4. You have all the Claude models, even the new ones. You have Llama 3, this is the Meta AI. And look at this, you also have the Google Gemini AI models, including the pretty new Gemini 1.5 Flash. This has been released just some days ago. You have the DBRX Instruct model. This is an open source model. Even these ones, Command R, Command R+, and the Zephyr model. This is uncensored if you want to generate sensitive content. U.com, it's working pretty much in the same way of ChatGPT, but you can interact with different models in the same chat. I used the same prompt as before, tell me about the new OpenAI developments, and even here, as you can see, it's using GPT-4o plus u.com AI. So it's merging these two AIs to give me the best answer possible. Even here I have citations and sources. Obviously my output is different than the one before, and here I can click on this sources button and have all my links. Because u.com it's also a search engine. And as I said, here you can interact with different AI models in the same chat. So I had this output from GPT-4o, and now I can switch, let's say, to Gemini 1.5 Flash, just to show you how it works, and follow up with my interaction with my chat, but using another AI model. Okay, perfect. So now I'm using Gemini 1.5 Flash plus u.com. u.com is used to browse the web, and I have my previous output from GPT-4o. Here I have my new output from Gemini 1.5 Flash, and this was my prompt: can you focus on latest infos about the new GPT-4o AI model? Here I have all my output with sources and so on. So you can interact with different AI models in the same chat. This is the beauty of u.com. Obviously, with these models, you have some limitations in comparison with the official sites, but again, you can interact with many models, you can test many models, and you can do it for free for an entire month using the Pro version. You just need to click on the link you find in the description. But GPT-4o now it's pretty everywhere, even in all the most famous AI writing tools. Let's talk, for example, about SEO writing AI. This is the What's New section, and they had some updates. For example, Anthropic Claude 3 is now available as an AI model into SEO writing AI. They also improved on pricing plans by increasing the number of articles you can generate with the professional plans. I will show you later. And now in the latest update, as you can see, they also included GPT-4o. So here, where you generate, for instance, the one-click blog post, you can choose between all these models. The Claude 3 Haiku is the most popular one. It's pretty cheap and it works pretty good with blog articles. And here you have the GPT-4o last model, but you can also choose the GPT-4 Turbo 128K1 or the mix between GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 Turbo. And here you have a colored dot that explains you the model quality. So if I choose GPT-4o, now you can see this is at the highest place. And remember, with SEO Writing AI, you can even connect your OpenAI API key. And with the professional plan, you can use this Deep Web Plus citation option. So you can generate really good and factual articles. I really like SEO Writing AI. So let's take a look at the pricing plans here, starting from the monthly ones. You can test it with a free plan. You can find the link in the description, or you can choose one of these two different plans, the starter and the professional. You have more options, obviously, with this professional plan. You can write up to 250 articles with this price, but you can go up and choose many more articles, increasing the price, obviously. But here you have unlimited words, you have external linking, you have the deep web factual content, you have auto citations and API coming soon. If you choose the yearly plan, you have a pretty good discount. Obviously, this plan it's optimal if you want to write a lot of content and you want pretty good articles, but even this one it's really good. And even here you can use the Claude 3 Opus and all the GPT-4 AI models. You just have slightly less options. I have a special code with a pretty good discount if you want. This works on all plans, on all monthly and yearly plans. So if you want, take advantage of it. Agility Writer, another super high quality AI writing tool, now includes GPT-4o. This is the Facebook group where Adam Young is saying new GPT-4o model and writing styles with semantic triples. So let's take a look very quickly at these new updates. The GPT-4o model is included now and costing only 1 extra credit for articles with up to 60 headings, because they have now more outline headings from 48 to 60 if you want super long articles, for example listicles where you can have the best 50 or 60 something. Then you have precision plus semantic triples writing styles. I made a video some weeks ago showing you this new writing style option, and now they even improved it with using semantic triples to structure sentences. And YouTube to article update now supports videos up to 60 minutes long instead of the previous 40-minute limit. So this is another improvement if you use YouTube to article update. This is Agility Writer in the advanced mode, and here in the AI model, as you can see, you now have GPT-4o beta. Usually an article costs 2 credits with advanced mode, and by using GPT-4o you will use 3 credits. And taking a look at this pop-up, you can also see that you will have Gemini Pro 1.0 and Gemini Pro 1.5 coming soon in Agility Writer. Even in this case, I have a special discount for you, so you can find the link and the code in the description. My discount code works with all these 3 plans, depending on your needs. But you can even try Agility Writer for just $1 and you have some credits. Use the same link you find in the description. Let's talk very quickly about SurgeGraph. Even this AI writing tool now includes GPT-4o, but not by default, not in the tool. You need to connect your OpenAI key. New GPT-4 Omni is now available in SurgeGraph. How to use it? You need to connect your OpenAI API key, so you will pay directly OpenAI if you want to use GPT-4 Omni with SurgeGraph. This is a comparison table between the different GPT models with the SurgeGraph. It's cheapest than GPT-4 Turbo. It's more updated up to October 2023. It's more intelligent, but requires your OpenAI API key. Same thing for GPT-4 Turbo, and GPT 3.5 Turbo doesn't require OpenAI API key. Anyway, remember that SurgeGraph is a pretty cheap tool. If you want to commit for a 36-month plan, you have a really big discount. This is the monthly price if you choose this plan. But again, this price includes GPT 3.5 Turbo, and if you want the other AI models, you need to connect your OpenAI key. You can find the link for SurgeGraph in the description. Let's move on to SEO now, because as you can see, WriterZen is back on AppSumo. If you follow my channel, you know, I suppose, how much I like WriterZen. I use it mostly for keyword research, but lately WriterZen had many updates, many new options to check for your competitors, increase your domain authority, and so on. They are back on AppSumo with some interesting deals for lifetime. As you can see, you can start from a single code. This is a lifetime deal, so you will use it for life. You have some pretty good limits here, but if you want really the best, I will choose at least these 2 or 3 codes, because you have many more credits, and you need credits to use the new options in WriterZen. You can stack up to 4 codes. This is the maximum with this lifetime deal, and even here they are talking about in the official group to upgrade to GPT-4. At the moment, the AI section of WriterZen is using GPT 3.5, but I suppose they will go for GPT-4. I really made a ton of videos on my channel for WriterZen, so if you want, go on my video section and search for WriterZen. You will find everything you want, and obviously in the description you can find the link for this lifetime deal. The last update for today is about SEO PowerSuite, because a new spring sale is coming. As you may know, sometimes during the year this SEO suite gives you the chance to have a very big discount, and this is the case because starting from May 21 up to May 23, 2024, so just for 3 days, you can have this comprehensive SEO suite with a super discount. For example, if you choose the 3-year plan, you will have an 82% discount, so you will pay something like, as you can see here, it's obscured, but $109 per year. Nothing, really nothing for the professional version, or $249 for the enterprise version. If you prefer the 2-year plan, you have a 78% discount, so you'll pay slightly more. And if you choose just 1 year, you have a 75% discount. These links will be activated from May 21, but you can click on the link in the description and you can insert your email here, so you will get notified when the sale starts and you will not lose the best discount, this one. If you don't know how this suite works, well, again, by clicking the link in the description, you will go to this page. You can see all the tools you have in the SEO PowerSuite. These are not online tools, these are softwares you need to download to your PC in order to use them, but this suite it's working pretty good for the price. And again, this sale will only last 3 days, from May 21 up to May 23, 2024. So that's it for this new update of AI tools breaking news, and in this case even SEO tools breaking news. I hope you find it useful. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want, on my channel you can find many videos about all these tools, or you can click directly here to watch some of my previous contents. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.